I Am Pakistan Worldwide movement is a trending and popular campaign formed and run by its reputable members, Mr. Ahmed Syed, Mr. Rizwan Samad, Javed Miadad, and Salauddin. I Am Pakistan Worldwide movement came into being upon the request of our Prime Minister Imran Khan by his very close friend, Mr. Ahmed Syed. It has worked tirelessly for its recent venture, the Dam Fund campaign. The task of engaging a colossal amount of Pakistanis and collecting massive donations, not only nationwide but worldwide as well, was no less than an acing victory. The overseas Pakistanis in particular had won our gratitude by their generous contributions upon the appeal of our Prime Minister Imran Khan.
मैं आज अपने बैरून मुल्क पाकिस्तानियों से मुखातिब हूँ, खास तौर पे जितना भी आप पैसा भेज सकते हैं आप इस फंड में भेजें.
I Am Pakistan Worldwide movement was the first to take initiative towards tackling our scarce water resources. This movement gave a face to our Mehmed and Deamir Bhasha dams, the latter being under an active progress phase at current. The I Am Pakistan Worldwide movement received an enormous amount of positive response regarding the Dam Fund campaign, and it has now undertaken a new and rather bold initiative to relieve Pakistan of its financial burdens. Pakistan has an estimated loan of a whopping $105 billion, which we are unfortunately paying off at the price of a heavy interest. The incompetent prior government used irrational methods to pay off this loan, which resulted in the exhaustion of our financial fuels, as we now stand in a dire situation. For us to progress as a nation, it is of utmost importance to clear off this mammoth of a financial constraint. The escalating prices, poverty, along with other crucial aspects haunting our beloved country can only be wiped off if we stand together as a nation in all parts of the world. This is where the role of overseas Pakistanis comes in. They have been with us through thick and thin, a recent venture being the donations they relentlessly contributed to the Dam Fund. The concept revolves around our fellow overseas Pakistanis lending us $400,000 each, free of interest, which will be returned after a 10-year tenure once Pakistan has stabilized its financial revenue. This initiative would bypass the option of us having to borrow money to pay off our loans at a heavy price.
मेरे पाकिस्तानियों, पिछले 10 साल में पाकिस्तान का कर्जा 6,000 अरब से 30,000 अरब रुपए पे पहुंचा. इसका आवाम को क्या नुकसान हुआ कि जो हम सालाना टैक्स इकट्ठा करते हैं जो है तकरीबन 4,000 अरब रुपया, उसमें से आधा टैक्स तकरीबन 2,000 अरब रुपया सिर्फ इनके लिए हुए कर्ज़ों की किस्तें अदा करने पे जाता है. जो बाकी पैसा बच जाता है उस पर ये मुल्क नहीं अपने खर्चे पूरे कर सकता. और ये वो कौम है जिसमें सलाहियत है, और अगर जज्बा आ गया तो कम अज़ कम हम 10,000 अरब रुपया इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं हर साल. मौका दें कि हम इस मुल्क को अपने पैर पे खड़ा करें और लोगों को गुर्बत से निकालें.
An estimate of 300,000 patriotic overseas Pakistanis have already been highlighted, whose contribution, more or less than the $400,000 threshold, can help Pakistan become a loan-free Pakistan.
I Am Pakistan वर्ल्ड मूवमेंट जो है उस पाकिस्तान की तामीर और तरक्की में हमारे पाकिस्तानी अवाम का एक अहम पार्टनर है, क्योंकि ये तंजीम जो है किसी हुकूमत, किसी सियासी जमात या किसी शख्सियत का मुकदमा नहीं लड़ रही, ये पाकिस्तान का मुकदमा लड़ रही है.
Now to address the transparency of the money we will receive, inshallah, there will be a completely separate account for this purpose.
मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल हूँ वो ये कि इसमें कोई भी पैसा कैश की सूरत में नहीं दिया जा रहा. ये सारा पैसा जो भी जमा हो रहा है, 1 रुपया, 4 आने, 10 करोड़, 2 करोड़, जो भी अमाउंट है, और इसमें जाने का तो रास्ता अकाउंट के अंदर, आने का रास्ता नहीं, और ये मेरी वजारत के नीचे नहीं है अकाउंट. तो एक क्रिस्टल क्लियर एक बड़ा अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है.
The proper utilization of this money will be handled by a committee of notable and respectable Pakistanis to keep track of each penny and its purposeful utilization. Rest assured, each overseas Pakistani will undoubtedly receive back their loan under the responsibility of our renowned committee members and founders of I Am Pakistan Worldwide Movement. Any query can be wholeheartedly entertained by the I Am Pakistan Worldwide Movement founder and chairman, Mr. Ahmed Ali Sayyed. Disclaimer: I Am Pakistan Worldwide Movement do not collect any funds, nor do they have any bank accounts anywhere in the world. I Am Pakistan Worldwide Movement is only harboring patriotic overseas Pakistanis for the welfare of Pakistan.